Demolition order pass केले डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान. ताजे नंतर बेस्ड ऑन द ऑर्डर ऑफ द एडिशनल डायरेक्टर पंचायत लास्ट 8 months बॅक ऑर्डर पास जाली. सो पंचायतीन तो स्कॉडाक धाडलेले. सो एज पर दॅट आयज डेमोलिशन स्कॉड आयिल्लो डेमोलिशन आनी ताजे नंतर आमी डेमोलिशन स्टार्ट केलें. तो डेमोलिशन स्टार्ट करता करता मागीर तेंचो लॉयर आयला आनी ताणें म्हणलें स्टे एप्लाय केलें आनी स्टे ग्रँट जालें म्हणून एक पंचायतीन तांकां हाफ एन आवर दिलो टू सबमीट दॅट स्टे. आणि त्याच्या नंतर आता त्यांच्यानी स्टे सबमिट केल्या म्हणून आम्ही सध्या फर्दर प्रोसेस ऑफ डेमोलिशन होल्डर दवरलो.
कित्याक लागून ते कोणी कंप्लेंट कोणी
जो ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी आसा ताणें कंप्लेन केली 2023 की इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर आसा तो पंचायतीन एक्शन घेवची एनक्रोचमेंट. सो बेस्ड ऑन दॅट आमी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केलो एज पर द पंचायत राज एक्ट. आणि तो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जावन डायरेक्टरान मागीर आमची ऑर्डर जी डेमोलिशन धाडली ती स्टँड केली आनी डेमोलिश करची म्हणून पार्टीक पयलून डायरेक्शन दिलें विदिन 30 days तो स्ट्रक्चर इलिगल बांदला तो डेमोलिश करचो.
नो मॅटर चलतली कोर्टान रिगार्डिंग आवर वर्कशॉप. सो द मॅटर वॉज सब जुडाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कोर्ट. द डेट वॉज गिवन on February 3rd. So without our information, Panchayat just in today, that is on 9th, just informed us that the demolition squad is going to come for the demolition on the spot at around 9:50. They have not informed us anything prior. Nor they told us that order is passed, nothing. I went and I pleaded with the secretary also. So secretary in the morning he told me just vacate the workshop, we are coming for demolition. But I requested him, sir, how it can be without the order we don't have. They are saying we cannot disclose the order. What is this? I cannot understand. If you all at night time, if we were sleeping and all, you all would have come and just demolition, and we would have sacrificed our life. Without giving so much, I requested the secretary just give us some time. I'm getting from the court, and thankfully my God was great for me, and we got the order granted. We got the stay order due to this.
The property konali?
The property belongs to our landlord, Mr. Neil Lobo, but the dispute was going on. We had requested him humbly to give us the property, but unfortunately he is not ready to understand us. Okay, so the matter was going in the court.
Property किती बांधला तुम्ही असे?
Our workshop is there for 8 decades of ages. Okay, it is not right now, over decades. So after, I don't know how, and we were unaware of it, so we don't know also how, like he brought the property in his name and all, everything we don't know, and this order also. Okay, that's what. And that is my husband's this daily bread. Workshop is my husband's daily bread. And if you all are taking away this bread, what we are going supposed to do? Tell. So thankfully, fortunately, we got the stay order and we just stopped it.
Now,
Nita.